Looking to breathe cleaner air at home or the office? In today's video, we'll explore the best air quality monitors to help you track and improve your indoor environment. Our channel brings you quality product reviews daily. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more. Number 1. PM10 Air Quality Monitor. While we appreciated the accuracy of the PM10 Air Quality Monitor, we had issues with some of its functionality. Though its 3.2-inch square display screen proved easy to see, even from across the room, we had to repeatedly press a button on the top to scroll through all the various air quality readings. The display defaults to its AQI setting, not to be confused with the AQI reported by local weather stations, and reflects TempTop's PM reading. The monitor features a color-coded light at the top that shines green to indicate good air quality, yellow when the air quality isn't optimal but isn't hazardous, and red for poor air quality. We considered the light to be a bit too small and not bright enough, not easily noticeable unless we stood within a few feet of the device. The TempTop detects VOCs, and it specifically detects formaldehyde. Its formaldehyde, H2CO, reading increased when we put an oil-based stain in the test box. Stain contains formaldehyde. Its TVOC numbers also increased, since formaldehyde is also a VOC. The TVOC numbers were consistent with the TVOC readings of the other monitors. In addition, its red light alerted us that the air quality was poor. Number 2. AirThings 4200 House Kit Air Quality Monitor. The AirThings 4200 House Kit offers a fairly complete way to keep track of potential problems in the household air. It includes the AirThings Wave 2nd Generation, the Wave Mini, and the AirThings Hub. Prior to testing, we downloaded the AirThings app to our smartphone and followed the steps to set up the monitors via Bluetooth. That was simple. The app detected and automatically synced with the monitors. We decided to test the AirThings Wave 2nd Generation radon detector in a friend's home, where radon was an issue. We placed the detector in the friend's basement and left it there for a full week. The monitor showed a radon reading of 3.7 picocuries per liter, PCI/L, when we retrieved it. This is just below level 4, where the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, recommends radon mitigation measures. This was also within 0.2 of a point from our friend's radon monitor. We were pleased with the accuracy. Number 3. AirThings 292 Wave Mini Indoor Air Quality Monitor. To measure chemical pollutants in the air without spending a lot, consider the well-priced Wave Mini. We tested a model independently from the one in our best overall pick, and to keep the two monitor tests separate, we downloaded another AirThings app on a different smartphone to track it. Unfortunately, the two minis interfered with one another, so we disconnected the AirThings House Kit and then tested the Wave Mini separately. This model doesn't come with a hub, so no Wi-Fi connection, but it offers Bluetooth connectivity. We could read the numbers on our smartphone when we were within Bluetooth range, approximately 100 feet of the monitor. The Wave Mini detects VOCs, humidity, and temperature in the room. Number 4. TempTop P600 Air Quality Monitor. Those looking for a portable air quality monitor to detect pollen and other airborne particulate matter may find the TempTop P600 Air Quality Monitor to be just the ticket. It uses a Quantum Semiconductor International (QSI) laser diode to detect particulate matter as small as 2.5 microns. A highly sensitive diode also found in professional laboratory equipment. It also detects larger particulates, such as pollen, in the 10-micron range. The unit has a kickstand that folds out, so users can stand the monitor on a table, nightstand, or even a tent floor when camping out. The first thing we did was charge it fully using the included USB cord. Then we started testing. There wasn't too much to test on this one, however, since the P600 detects only airborne particulate matter. We put it in our test box and shook a dust mop over it. This monitor doesn't sync with smart devices, so we couldn't monitor the readings remotely from a smartphone. Instead, we checked it every few minutes to see if it had changed. The readings predictably spiked after 10 minutes and then gradually dropped after about 25 minutes as the dust settled. Number 5. Breathe Air Monitor Plus. Breathe Air Monitor Plus is a smart air quality monitor designed to keep you informed about the air you breathe indoors. This 8-in-1 device accurately measures CO2 levels, formaldehyde, VOCs, particulate matter, PM1, PM2.5, PM10, temperature, and humidity. With its sleek design and user-friendly app, you can monitor real-time data, set alerts, and track air quality trends right from your smartphone. Whether you're at home, in the office, or any indoor space, the Breathe Air Monitor Plus helps ensure a healthier environment by giving you the insights you need to take control of your air quality.